Place de la Concorde is one of the most iconic and historically significant public squares in Paris, France. Located at the eastern end of the Champs-Élysées, it serves as a major junction connecting several important landmarks and avenues. The square covers an area of approximately 86,400 square meters and is rich in architectural and cultural heritage. Throughout its long history, Place de la Concorde has witnessed numerous significant events and has undergone several transformations, making it a captivating destination for visitors from around the world. The origins of Place de la Concorde date back to the 18th century when it was initially designed as a royal square known as Place Louis XV. It was created in honor of King Louis XV and was intended to showcase the grandeur and power of the monarchy. The square was characterized by its vast size and impressive architecture, including two identical monumental structures, the Hôtel de Crillon and the Hôtel de la Marine, which still stand to this day. However, the square's name and purpose changed dramatically during the French Revolution. In 1792, following the revolution, the square was renamed Place de la Révolution, symbolizing the radical shift in political power. It became a site of immense historical significance as it witnessed many public executions, most notably that of King Louis XVI and his queen, Marie Antoinette. The square's most prominent feature is the Luxor obelisk, gifted to France by the ruler of Egypt, Muhammad Ali, in the early 19th century. The obelisk stands tall at the center of the square, reaching a height of approximately 23 meters and weighing over 200 tons. Its presence adds a touch of exoticism and serves as a testament to the cultural exchange between France and Egypt. Surrounding the obelisk are 8 statues representing various French cities, including Lille, Strasbourg, Bordeaux, and Marseille, among others. These statues, known as the Fountains of the Concorde, were added during the reign of Louis Philippe in the mid-19th century and contribute to the square's grandeur. Place de la Concorde is also home to 2 monumental fountains, which are among the most impressive water features in Paris. The fountains, designed by Jacques-Ignace Hittorf, depict maritime themes and are adorned with intricate sculptures and allegorical figures. These fountains, along with the surrounding architecture and the obelisk, create a harmonious and visually stunning ensemble. Beyond its historical and architectural significance, Place de la Concorde serves as a central hub for transportation in Paris. It is a major intersection connecting several important avenues, including the Champs-Élysées, the Rue Royale, and the Rue de Rivoli. The square is lined with trees, gardens, and benches, providing a peaceful and scenic environment for both locals and tourists alike. Visitors to Place de la Concorde can enjoy leisurely walks, take in the breathtaking views of the surrounding landmarks, or simply relax and soak up the vibrant atmosphere of the city. The square offers a perfect vantage point for appreciating the iconic Eiffel Tower, which can be seen in the distance, as well as other notable landmarks like the Arc de Triomphe and the Palais Bourbon. Place de la Concorde has also served as a backdrop for various significant events and celebrations. It has witnessed military parades, political rallies, and even prestigious sporting events, such as the final stage of the Tour de France. The square's central location and historical significance make it a popular gathering place for both locals and tourists during national celebrations and major public events. Place de la Concorde is not only a significant historical and cultural site, but it also serves as a vibrant center for various cultural events. It often hosts open-air concerts, art exhibitions, and public installations, attracting artists and performers from around the world. These events add to the dynamic atmosphere of the square, making it a lively and engaging place for both locals and tourists. This is an extraordinary public square in Paris, steeped in history and surrounded by iconic landmarks. From its origins as a royal square to its transformation during the French Revolution, it has witnessed significant events and played a vital role in the city's evolution. The square's impressive architecture, including the Luxor obelisk and the fountains, creates a visually stunning ambience. Its central location and accessibility make it a popular gathering place for both locals and visitors, who can enjoy leisurely walks, take in the breathtaking views, or partake in cultural events. Place de la Concorde is an essential destination for anyone seeking to immerse themselves in the rich history and vibrant atmosphere of Paris.